We have a warning for parents. A popular brand of children's cough syrup is under voluntary recall over concerns that it could be contaminated with bacteria. This involves 5 lots of Little Remedies honey cough syrup. It's very popular with a lot of parents. The FDA says the bacteria can cause nausea, vomiting, and stomach cramps. There's also concern about a loss of shelf stability. So far, there have been no serious reports of sickness, but definitely go to your medicine cabinet if you have little ones and check. These medicines were distributed online as well as nationwide to retailers from December 14th of 2022 to June 4th of this year. The product maker MedTech is offering customers a full refund.